Folks, welcome back, and in this video we are installing VDA to make master image, and we'll use it for MCS, the machine creation service. The VDA, what it is, the virtual delivery agent. So let's get it started. I just logged into the vCenter, and I have this server. In last video we have build the server, and now we are going to install VDA agent on it to make master image. Okay, so let me launch it. Okay, now we need an ISO file of what Citrix, and from there we can install the VDA. Okay, so where I do have the ISO file in the location here in the D drive, and what is the IP address of my machine? Let me check that. ipconfig is the command to check the IP. 10.10.100. okay, 10.10.10.100. the drive and the ISO file. I need this ISO file to install the VDA agent. Okay, so let me copy this and I will paste it over here in the C drive. Okay, I really suggest do not run from the network location, just copy locally and run it. Of course, it won't take much time to download over here the copy. Almost done. Now we have this file, ISO file in C drive. Right click, mount this and run this. Auto select, say yes. What we are going to do is over here we are going to install what the VDA, the virtual delivery agent. Of course, if you don't install VDA agent on the server, on the client machine, the communication will not happen between the Citrix server and the client machine. So of course, there is no way where you can publish the desktop application without having VDA agent installed on the server or either on the client machine. Click on this, start. I clicked on it, virtual delivery agent. Now what we have, create a master image, MCS image, and just enable brokered connection to a server. What this means is, when you see enable brokered connection to a server, you will not able to use this server as a master image. You won't able to create another server using this machine. Okay, so what we are going to perform on this particular server is we are going to make this server as a master image. Later on, when we use MCS service, we will use this same server and we will able to create multiple server using this master image. Okay, one more thing I just wanted to bring it up, that MCS image also you can say golden image. Okay, somebody tell you what is golden image in Citrix, so not to be confused, golden image also called as MCS. So say next. Say next, leave as it is default. Okay, controller name, what is our controller name? The Citrix controller name. So this is our Citrix server. Guys, not to be worried, it's a very important topic. Okay, so what we are looking for, the machine name of what Citrix server, host name, what it is, Citrix 01. Okay, and what is the complete name? If you go here, properties, citrix01.careerhub.com, that is what we need to enter over there. Citrix01. careerhub.com. You need to click on this test connection. Okay, it's checked. What that means is this particular server is able to connect with the Citrix server. Okay, click on add. If you have multiple delivery controller, you can add multiple over here. Okay, in our case we have just one Citrix server, so we have just added one. Say next, 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 and just click on install. So prerequisite was not there in the server, that is what it's getting installed. Okay, right now Microsoft.NET Framework 4.8 needed, the remote desktop connection needed, the remote desktop session host needed, because we are going to make this server as a multiple session host. Okay, Windows remote assistant feature is needed, the Microsoft Visual x64-bit needed, and 32-bit same thing. Then once these all prerequisite will install, core component, that is virtual delivery agent, will be installed. So I'll pause here a little bit, and once these all prerequisite installation will completed, I will resume this video. Hey guys, one thing I just wanted to tell you, that the installation was running for the .NET 4.8 and it was asking for the restart. Once the server will restart, this window will be come up and this will asking you for the installation media. Okay, just do one thing, just click on cancel. Okay, go again in the C drive where we have saved the ISO file, mount it again, and we need to perform the same step. But of course these steps will resume the same where it was left. Okay, so I just ran the .exe file again to install the VDA. Again click on start, this one, virtual delivery agent, and of course it will resume where it was left. You see it? I'll make it full screen. Yeah, so after the installation of .NET framework, the machine was restarted. The machine needs to be restarted again. Okay, so once this message will come up, just do the same thing, just reboot is of course compulsory, else the installation will not go further. Our vCenter is not installing. Okay, our vCenter is not restarting. What is starting is our server, this one, server 002. Okay, which we are making the master image. While I'm on the screen, maybe if you want to make it forward, just forward this video. I'll log in again and I will have the same window to browse the media. One thing you can do is if you extract the ISO file, that window will not come up. Okay, so if you want, you can do so. You see this window come again. Cancel it, go again, mount this. If I copy paste this again, if it will ask for restart and we do restart, once the machine will restart, installation will be continue. It won't ask you to browse the media. So I'm doing that now. Okay, so better in the very first step, when we start installing this VDA agent on the server, just copy paste, extract the ISO file, so it won't ask you again and again to browse the media, okay, the setup file. So better we can copy paste and we can run the setup. That is what my suggestion is. This is all up to you. Okay, I'm not sure if I explain what this means. Virtual apps, when you select virtual apps, we would only able to install virtual Citrix virtual apps. Okay, why we are selecting this? Because we are making Citrix server the Citrix virtualization, where we can able to publish apps plus desktop. Okay, again VDA, this one, I'll make it full screen again. The virtual delivery agent will take more time if you compare to this prerequisite, because this is a big component. So I'll pause the video and I'll resume it back once we are on the component initialization. Okay, hey guys, now it shows less than 1 minute, so I just resumed the video and I believe so it is almost done. It looks. Well, just to let you know, while installation, if you get some kind of error message, any error message, just do search on Citrix side, the official side, and you will get the KB article, and just go through that and fix the issue. In case still if the issue is not getting resolved, you can just send me a message, and I will take remote of your machine and I will try to help you out. Hope this helped. It is mentioned less than 1 minute, but literally it is not promising. No, it's more than 1 minute, I guess so. But now I will not pause the video. Oh, it's completed. Machine is hearing us. Wow. Component initialization will not take much time, so I'll stay. And once this is complete, we will go ahead and add what hosting service in Citrix server in the studio. Okay, so it is about to complete, and in very next video we are going to add hosting service. What that means is we are going to add the VMware and studio. Perfect, it's done. I really don't want to collect diagnostic information. Say next. Restart machine. Do it. I do not have any issue. Okay guys, the VDA installation is done, and now we will meet you in next video, very next video, to add VMware hosting service in studio, the Citrix server. Thank you very much for watching this.